love Pokemon. Look, we have Pokemon cards. And look, there's 2 basic teams at a time. Unbox. Okay, let's take out the board. Let's look at the construction first. These are we need basic teams. First, there's, look at this. So first of all, we're gonna, whoever.
I'm gonna use Pikachu. He's this one, my favorite.
You have to flip the coin, and if you land on this one, that doesn't mean you need to go first. If you land on this one, you can go first.
Yeah.
So first of all, I'm on this side, so we have to turn it sideways so we can both reach. So then let's take out our Pokemon cards, and you have to see what one says basic.
How do you say card in Italian?
Hold on, guys. We have this card already. You have to make sure it's 1 to 60. So this one is 60. And make sure they have to be upside down.
Now, who is gonna flip the coin to the side? Okay, you're gonna flip the coin. Let's see. Whoa! He won. So the Robert's turns to start. But first, you have to put how many cards on the bench? A certain amount of cards on the bench.
7. Okay, guys, we're gonna put 5 cards on this one. So on this card.
I think you have to put 7 is your first hand.
Oh,
But
yeah, 1. Okay, guys.
and then you have to put 4 on your prize card.
Okay, we're putting 4 on our first card. 1, 2, 4.
How do you say 4 in Italian?
What?
Does it say basic? You can only attack with basic. Yes, it says basic, so you can put it there in the active.
Okay, guys, and then I'm putting this energy card.
But now you cannot attack just yet because the person that goes first cannot attack on the 4th round. So it's Jacob's turn. Now, who do you want to attack with? So let's see. Robert has Kangaskhan with energy attached to him, and that means that he will be able to boost. He can fetch for nothing. He needs at least 2 energy to attack this one, guys. Because this little star, it means that you can use any energy booster, but you need 2. Okay, what about you? How are you gonna attack? Who are you gonna use to attack, Jacob?
This one.
Do you want to put a booster? Do you want to put an energy as well?
Yeah.
Okay, let's put an energy, and now you can actually attack. Jacob, attack! Oh no, but you can't. You can't attack. Because you need 3 energy to do the double edge attack. So now we have to wait. Can you attack? Yes, yes. You can give them an headbutt. 30. So you are going to take 3 of these yellow thingy, yellow circles that says 10, dicono 10, vero? Pop them out and put them.
I thought they were stickers.
No, they're not stickers. Now you put the 3 on Jacob's card, and that means that from 130, guys, 130 is here at the top. You take 30 away, and it becomes only 100. So Jacob is losing, but now it's his turn. So let's see. Throw a card.
Draw your deck card.
Throw the deck from there. What did you get? Another energy? Put it under.
Put it behind.
Put it under. Yeah, put it behind her.
Now Jacob
Put it
can
behind.
attack.
Put it behind. Mettila sotto.
Jacob can attack now.
No, it cannot because it needs 3 to attack. So now it's your turn again, Robert.
Okay.
What did you get?
I got a basic.
It's a basic again, but you can put it down on your bench. This is the bench, right? And you can use another energy and put it behind And now you can attack and take away 60. You see? 1, 2 punch is 60. 60, instead of having to do 60, you can take 50. 50 plus 10 is 60, right? Is it 50 plus 10, 60, Robert? No, that's it. Now is Jacob's turn. Jacob, you have to be very careful because if he hits you again, you're dead. So now you have to retrieve yours. What is it? It says draw 3 cards.
Well, maybe I can make
One.
Maybe I can make him get on 100
Two.
and take away all of his. Maybe
3. You put that one that you use where? In the discard pile. We want to see what do we have to do next.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna put my Pokemon back on the bench.
Because he needs to retreat. Because you're scared that if Robert attacks him again, guys, he's going to lose his Pokemon. Take these points out of here. So I can put them on the side.
Then I need to throw away 2 energy cards.
Okay, now you can attack though anyway, so you're not done with your turn. Who do you want to put there now? But I think that this stays on you, right? Put also an energy card so you can attack him, Jacob. Yes, from your bench. Take an energy card from your bench. Bench in Italian is panchina. He has to pick the 10 because with his attack is
Well, let
attacking
me
you
pick
with
a 10. Well, let me do it.
So you start from 120. See, 120 there on top. Minus 10 is 110.
Oh, I got this one.
What does it say? You have to read.
I don't know how to read yet, guys.
Says heal 30 damage from one of your Pokemon. So you can heal one of your Pokemon. So take away the 10. That's all you can heal him by because that's all your damage you had so far. Are you attacking? Okay, 60. Oh wow, you have to take 150 and 110 and put him over Jacob. Jacob looks like not too good. Now draw a card, Jacob. Draw a card. You put it under your Pokemon. And do you want to attack? Okay, so now it's 20.
I'm gonna draw a 20.
Yeah, so 2 10s.
Okay, guys. Now I'm gonna swap to my 100.
Oh my god, you can already swap your basic Pokemon to what does it say?
Okay, guys.
The stage 2 is the stage 2 Pokemon, okay? You can put the stage 2 Pokemon.
Guys, look. This is the same one. Except look at the picture.
Oh, and that's how you know that
Yes.
it's the stage
Hold on,
2.
this
No, it's
is-
stage 1 actually. This is basic and stage 1.
This is the baby. This is the baby.
Oh, you have another basic and another stage 1. Okay, now you can attack, and when you attack with 80. Oh my god.
Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe.
Robert's first Pokemon is gone, guys, because it was Brizzle at 70. He didn't even need 80. He needed only another 10 to get him away. So put all of that on. You take them all away now?
No, I missed this one.
No, amore. No, that you
So
didn't
I
have to.
won, guys.
Why are you putting more on the other one? Cheater. Did you put some on here? This didn't have a 50. These are the 60.
Yeah, but
No, it's 60 and then you have 30, alright. Okay, now you have to put these 3 cards. Put these 3 cards under this card. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Put the rest of your cards. You should put them here so you know what you got on your bench.
guys, I don't want to die, so I'm gonna keep on swapping my cards. So guys, maybe one time I get that.
Okay, now you have to take one of the prize cards. Yeah, from your pile and put it on the side.
Okay, guys.
Next round, go.
I got it.
Okay, now choose the one you want to use. Do you want to use Pikachu, Electro Ball? Do you want to use, I would use this one. You can't because if he attacks you, you lose right away.
So not this one?
Maybe if you try, you're gonna get it 80 and you're dead right away. No, not this one because it takes him only one time to do. So use this one is stage 1. You can't. You need to use a basic which is 70. You pretty much lost, Jacob. So Try. What else? Yeah, use the basic. Use the Pikachu for now and let him eat it with you. Put the card under and attack him.
You can't attack me.
Yes, he can attack you. Go. Quick attack is 10.
So I need to get 20, put a 10.
You just need to put a 10, but you have so many 10s there, there is no need to take them all out. But hey guys, do what the heck you want.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna put my 50.
Yes, put your 50 where? So it's 60. You have to put 80. Do you see?
50,
80.
60, 70, 80.
Okay.
I ate you them.
That Pikachu is only 70, so you can go. Take it away. Take it all away. Jacob, put it in the discard pile. Robert, take a prize card. Yay! Yay! He's gonna attack. Jacob is going to attack with the flop. See, you have a flop, so you can attack. It's 10, the flop. So put 10. Right.
I got 90. I mean, I got 80.
Okay, yeah, if you do attack. Okay, draw a card. Draw a card, Robert. Okay, so you don't even have to put 80 on because it says 70. So it means that he lost and you get to get a prize card. Got a prize card. So you have 3 prize cards. This one was supposed to go in the discard pile.
I'm definitely gonna win. No one can stop me.
Oh, okay.
Okay, guys.
Okay, you are... no, maybe Taurus, and we'll see. Let's play Taurus, Jacob. And attack. What are you gonna
And next I'm gonna
attack?
And next.
So you attack for nothing. You cannot attack for anything, but he can attack. You want to attack with an 80 again? Draw a card just in case you get something better. What do you have? No, it's not better. You're better off with what you have.
Now I'm gonna do 10,
No, it's like 80 again. You have to
20, 30, 10,
That's 50.
10, 20, 30,
50 plus 3.
40.
Let's put it on.
Well, I'm gonna definitely win.
Now use this one. This one says heal 30 damage, so you can take away 30. Take away the yellow ones. And you have to put that in the discard pile. Put that in the not that one.
Which one?
That one. Yep.
So,
Then you wanna put this. Yes. The energy. And now you don't have to swap. Okay, you have to pay to swap. And you're gonna lose all your cards behind. You understand that? You cannot just swap to swap. So he's gonna give you 60. Jacob,
what?
60. 150 and 110. That is 60. 1. Yeah, and you put it over his card. So now Robert is at. No, you have to put more. 10 more. No, did you put 10 already or no?
I put 3 10s.
And now did you put a 50 and a.
I'm gonna attack.
Okay, 80 and 50. Jacob lost.